Hello, my name is Caitlin, and welcome to Country Kitchen SweetArt's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make this adorable box of assorted chocolates. Let's get started.
To make these chocolate truffles, you will need your desired flavor or flavors of chocolate candy coating, an assorted chocolate candy mold, soft candy centers, scoopable candy centers, both in your desired flavors, and squeeze bottles. You can choose from over 25 flavors of scoopable candy centers and 15 squeezable soft candy centers. Click the link in the description to view all of our candy center options. Start by melting the candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. I will be using milk chocolate coating for the first few trays of truffles. Make sure to stir the chocolate between each interval to evenly distribute the heated chocolate, which will help prevent the coating from overheating or burning. You can also use real chocolate to line the mold, but make sure to temper your chocolate before molding. Pour the melted chocolate into a squeeze bottle, which will allow you to easily fill each cavity on the mold. Squeeze some melted chocolate around the top inside edge of each cavity, then tap the mold on your work surface to evenly cover the inside of each cavity. Tapping the mold on your work surface will also bring any air bubbles to the surface, leaving the outside with a smooth shell. Invert the mold over a parchment-lined baking sheet to remove the excess melted chocolate. Use a bench scraper to clean up the edges of the cavities. Place this mold in the refrigerator for 5 minutes to allow the shells to set up. Once the chocolate is set, you can add your soft and scoopable candy centers. I will be using this caramel soft candy center to fill half of the chocolates. This candy center is ready to use as is and comes in a piping bag for easy use. With gloved hands, portion small pieces of a scoopable candy center and press into the remaining cavities. I used the Mocha Candy Center, which is a stiff yet chewy center that can be molded or dipped in chocolate. Make sure to leave space for a small amount of chocolate at the top of each piece. Use the melted chocolate in the squeeze bottle to top each cavity with more chocolate. Add a small amount to each piece and use the tip of the bottle to move the chocolate to the edge of each cavity. Place the mold in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the chocolate to set up completely. To remove the candy pieces, tap the mold on the counter. If the pieces do not easily come out of the mold, place them back in the refrigerator for 10 minutes and try again. To make the next truffles, I will be using dark chocolate. Melt this chocolate in the same bowl used for the milk chocolate, using 30-second intervals and stirring between each interval. To make these truffles, follow the same directions as used previously. Make sure to allow the chocolate shells to set up before adding your candy centers. I used the soft raspberry candy center and a coconut scoopable center. The coconut candy center is a bit softer than some of the other scoopable centers, so be sure to use gloves to portion it. You can also use a small cookie scoop to portion this candy center, then use gloved hands to level it in the candy mold. Be sure to leave room for a small amount of chocolate at the top of each piece, then refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes to set up completely. To package these truffles, you can use a candy box, such as this one, that has the insert already added, or you can use a box and insert that are sold separately. We sell a variety of candy boxes and inserts, so be sure to check out all of our options on our website. Click the link in the description to go directly to our candy box selection. Secure the box closed with a 10-inch stretch loop by hooking it around opposite corners. Share this mystery box of chocolates with your Valentine or make it with them for a fun, festive activity.
Thank you for watching until the end of our video. Be sure to stick around so you know where to find the products used in this video and how to stay connected with us. To find the products used to make these assorted chocolate truffles, click on the link in the description. That link will take you to our website, and below the photo you will find all the products used to make these chocolates. To stay connected with us, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, where you'll find our new products, sales, and you'll get to take a look at our new warehouse edition. To find more videos like this one, check out our chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Be sure to leave us a comment down below letting us know what kinds of videos you would like to see next. Check in with us next week for a new video on how to make a Valentine's chocolate bark. See you next time.